When threading the machine, the bobbin must be put in correctly as well. Let me show you a couple tricks to make sure that it always is in the tension and you don't have any trouble whatsoever. So first off, look for the Pfaff logo on the top of your bobbin, and that should guide you to see the thread coming off the left side. When you drop it in, bring the thread all the way around and go either way, just kind of let it flip over the top and right into that first groove about 6 o'clock. At this point, sometimes I'll hold the bobbin so it doesn't spin, and as I pull the thread to the left, you'll hear a little click. That click can really help you, is what brings the thread into the bobbin area and into the tension. Next, just bring the thread over the top and follow the arrow right here. Now at this point, sometimes it's nice to just let the thread sit here, put the bobbin door back in place, then cut the thread. That little part there is a thread cutter, and now the door is holding everything in place. Then when you start to sew, that thread will come up. So you don't have to bring your bobbin thread up each time that you start. Just start to sew and you'll have the first stitch come up into your fabric every single time you start.